Hello everyone, in this video, let us take a look at the new improved navigation on Jira Cloud. So today I logged into one of my cloud instance of Jira and I noticed that there is a message called faster, clearer navigation is here. Our improved navigation is always visible, so you can search, create, and get back to what you use most. So basically, there was some announcement about the improved interface on Jira Cloud, and I think there is a link that will probably talk a bit more about these changes. So if I take a look at this link here, um, I've seen this article before, and I don't really spend too much time. I didn't really bother too much about how this improved interface or this better navigation will behave. But if I look at these images, it looks like that they are trying to go back to the go back to the interface that is similar to what it was earlier, which is of course on Jira server, where you have the main navigation on top. And I personally, and in fact, a lot of people personally prefer this interface, which is of course familiar. People are used to that interface. And when Atlassian announced this interface, this interface that you have right now on the cloud, where you have a sidebar on the left hand side, and you also have a global sidebar and a project sidebar. People didn't really like it that much. So I think Atlassian decided to go back. I'm not sure how exactly it will work like, and this is what I am going to do now. So let us just enable it, and I'm actually quite excited. So I'll use the improved navigation. So this looks really good because it is exactly like I mean the first impression is that it is like a server version of Jira, and I'm sure there are some differences because right now we are at the project uh, list. But if I go to your work, I believe I can see things that are relevant to me. I can see my dashboards, and there is also a dashboard here on the top. And if I click on the Jira logo, I'm basically redirected to the projects. So it says recent projects have a new home. Two actually, they are now in the projects menu and on your work page. So you can resume work faster. So if I click on, let us say, your work, and if I now go to maybe Jira, I am back to my project listing. So maybe there is a way, or let us click on this go to your work. So so I think your work is something that will show things that are relevant to me, all the projects that I have been working on. I can take a look at my, things that I've viewed, things assigned to me, starred. So you can actually star your filter and dashboards, which is obviously uh, easily available for you. Can you do more here? Can you like customize it? So find your work faster, make this your home page. So, okay, I want to do that. So this is my new home page. And if I, let us say, click on the logo, I'm now here only. So the second link is of course the projects. It is of course not exactly like the cloud, the server version of Jira, but it is quite similar. And if I click on, of course, my project, this is definitely more like the server version. You have the project sidebar and you have the main navigation on top. You, of course, the order is a bit different because you do have the option to do it, the advanced issue search. Dashboards is something new. People, let us click on people. I am not sure what I can see here. So I can create a team. I can see people that are there, maybe the users, and then we have the apps. So on top, I can see the announced apps. I can, of course, click on the button called create. It will open the same dialog to create a new issue. And on the right hand side, you have search, which is, of course, we all know how it works, and you have this settings. So I think the plan here is to basically not confuse people with two completely different type of interfaces, and just have a similar kind of a feel when you're using Jira Cloud, or maybe you move to Jira Cloud, or maybe when you move from Jira Cloud to Jira server version. And when you click on switch to, so you have all those links to Jira software, Jira service desk, Confluence, and so on. So personally, and of course this is my personal opinion, and I think many people will agree, I appreciate this new view, and I personally think it will really help, at least in finding your way, because lot of people used to kind of complain that the Jira cloud interface, the interface that we all were using for the past few years, they are not massively comfortable, because the navigation is different. So I think this new change, or this particular improved interface or improved navigation from Atlassian is something that will be liked by a lot of people. And this is all I wanted to share in this video. I wanted to create this quick video today. I actually wanted to create a video on a different topic, but I thought, why not? Because the moment I logged into my Jira Cloud, I thought I should be talking about the improved interface. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.